I'm working in this factory to earn my board and keep. My past is only memory, my future 6 foot deep. Blast furnace, you're the devil's too. You sear the flesh and mind. Lord, if I owned a dollar bill, I'd leave this place behind. Blast furnace keeps blazing all day long. Blast furnace, your heat is much too strong. Blast furnace, you turn that cold steel white. You scorch my fingers with your heat. You blind me with your light. I take them salt pills like they say. My sweat runs in a stream. I think I'll look around someday to find I'm turned to steam. Blast furnace, rob me of my health. You burn me out inside. Ain't never had no chance at wealth, just got my foolish pride. Blast furnace keeps blazing all day long. Blast furnace, your heat is much too strong. Blast furnace, you turn that cold steel white. You scorch my fingers with your heat. You blind me with your light. I'm stuck here in this factory. My work is never done, because I grew a family when I was 21. Blast furnace, you're the devil's too. They fashioned you in hell. Blast furnace, never, ever cool. Oh Lord, I know so well. Blast furnace keeps blazing all day long. Blast furnace, your heat is much too strong. Blast furnace, you turn that cold steel white. You scorch my fingers with your heat. You blind me with your light. You blind me